I made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it.
I'm gonna like blow my hair out. This is what my hair looks like right out of the shower. Kind of looks wavy, but doesn't really stay that way. But I'm just gonna use the Bumble and Bumble hairdresser oil primer. This is a good detangler. Has like UV protection, whole thing. Really good. And then the B&B Glow Bond Building. This is great for like damaged hair, blondes. Yeah, it's just really good. But I'm gonna brush my hair out and then I'll put
It up with you. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know that it might be tough. I know when you're enough. I would show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you?
First, I'm just gonna I like dip my makeup and let my hair like air dry a little bit. And then before you round brush, you definitely don't want it to be like soaking. So my hair is already probably like 65% dry. But then I'm just gonna go in and get it like 80% before I go in with my round brush. Because otherwise it'll take forever.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me.
And then I just sectioned my hair and I'm gonna just go in and start round brushing.
Lies. I just wanna know the truth. Do or die. Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to.
I'm gonna start and just make sure when you're taking the round brush, I'm going like under and like smoothing and bring it back a little bit.
Be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy bachelor. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know that it might be tough. I know when you're enough. I would show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? Made a mistake last.
Okay, and then, oh my gosh, my phone kept falling, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna put a little oil. This is the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil, just to help with any flyaways. But yeah, I've been loving this look, just to give like a little bit of volume, but still like be smoothed out. And I've been thinking about getting the Revlon like blow dry brush, but like honestly, I don't think I'm going to. I might get a bigger round brush, but yeah. But I've been loving this, and please comment below any other hair videos you want to see. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back next week.